Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Once you're there, tap on the gear icon just beside the magnifying icon. And here you will find the settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find the option of audience and visibility. There you will find how people can find and contact you. Head over there. Now here, tap on who can see your friends list. And it is currently made only me. If your friends list is public, make sure you make it only me. And then then public or people can't see your friends list, because there is no specific way to make your mutual friend list or hide your mutual friend list. So you have to either make all of your friends list public or you can make it only me. So tap on save. And now as you can see, who can see your friends list is made only me, and now your friends list is hidden from everyone. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. And this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.